liftoff.
If you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and crush that notification bell. What is going on, Monster Jam fans? Today we've got an epic freestyle showdown, but we're going to need your help. We're going to need you to leave in the comments below who you think has the better freestyle run. The toy alien invasion or the video game alien invasion. Your votes in the comments will decide the winner of this freestyle battle. Here we go. Starting off with a huge front flip. And here comes the toy version of Alien Invasion. We're using the Ship It and Flip It playset by Spin Master for this freestyle event. Yes, that was a huge double backflip, and the toy version has its own backflip. This is going to be a battle. It looks like the toy version's setting up for a big trick. Check it out, he's doing hyperspeed donuts. Totally awesome. Over the crush cars. Big time crash. He got some big air with that front flip. Another huge crash into the crush cars. Whoa! Big time backflip! He's going up the box! Huge crash! Wow, what an event! Oh, he did not land that, but he was able to save it. Nice flying 360. Huge crash, that was awesome. Oh, and that was a bad landing. Wow. Over the crush cars! Nice save! Big time flying 360 and he lands it! Yes, that was awesome! And the video game version's gonna finish up with some donuts. Don't forget, guys, to leave in the comments below your vote for either the video game version or the toy version, whoever you thought had the best freestyle run. Here's two more awesome videos. All you gotta do is click on one.